Hey guys, this is Nestor Idome, the Make Money from Home Dad, and today I'm going to teach you how to embed a video, a YouTube video, into any website or HTML. All right, so I'm right here in the website that I want my video to be embedded in. This is the website where I train many of my team members and the public on how to make money online, and so I just want to teach how people can do this on their own. Okay. So I'm assuming that you already are familiar with how to set this up, okay? Because if not, then that's a totally different video. But if you already know, if you go into your YouTube channel, into live events, you can create live events. But once you create a live event, if you just push on the picture right here, it's gonna take you to the live event video, which is still not live, of course. But we only need this because we're trying. What we're gonna do is grab. We're gonna push right here where it says share. So if you go down there where it says share, that's gonna open up the little share area. This right here says this video is unlisted, and that's only because I have it unlisted, so the public can't see that. But you still are able to share it. So let's say if you wanted to do it for just your team and only your team, you can do it that way, where it's only for specific, it's unlisted, it's only for specific people. Then only the people who you share that link with are going to be able to see it. So if you want the public to be able to see it, you're going to have to take that off. If you want, with the public, what I mean is if you want people to find that video. But where you're going to go right here where it says embedded. And you can either do this whole code, but if you're going to do it how I'm going to do it, which is HTML, I only need this right here, okay? So for some reason, there you go. Just gonna grab this only because I already have my HTML code ready, and this is gonna be working basically for any website you want. So wherever they're gonna ask you for let's say on your blog or your website, wherever they're gonna ask for the embedded video, that's what you're gonna grab. You're gonna grab this snippet right here, the W. But always remember to put the HTTP, semicolon / you'll see right now, okay? So after I get this and I copy it, I'm gonna bring it over to my HTML code right here, which is the HTML code for this website. So then I'm gonna find the video, which is right here, right? So see how it says HTTP semicolon / I have the other one already, which I recorded from last week. Well, what you can do is if I go all the way to where the question mark is here, and from the question mark all the way over here, if you write question mark REL =0 and autoplay =1, that's gonna auto start your video. If you take that off, people are gonna have to push the play. Okay, I like to do it that way because then when people get to the website, it starts automatically, and then when I start my broadcast, it automatically starts without having to refresh the website. So that's a real nice way for them to just be able to stay there, and all of a sudden the broadcast starts. They don't have to refresh, or they don't have to do anything else, or they have to push play, and when they get there. So the cool thing is, if you put it that way, it auto starts it. Also, the great thing about this is that when people revisit your website after the recording, it automatically starts. So it's like an evergreen kind of presentation where people go there, they're gonna always see it as like when they got there just on time, right? When it's the recording. So what you're gonna do is just highlight this part right here, then either right click or push Control V on your computer. I don't know what it is for Mac, and then push paste. That all of a sudden puts this one right there. I will just push save. I'm not gonna do it right now, only because I don't want to save this particular video. But well, let me go ahead and do it. That's okay. I'll just switch it over right now, only because it's until Wednesday that this training is gonna be over. So I'll just switch it over. So once this go over here, and let's say I'll refresh this website. What happens, you'll see that automatically starts. And because this is for this video is supposed to start today, it'll say starting soon instead of the timer. The great thing about the live one is that if you could put a future time, and it'll show people how many days or how many hours till the live broadcast. So when people get here into the Internet Millionaire Secret Online Money Making Strategies, they'll automatically start the video. So right here it says just hanging out, and then if you can see, it says please stand by, starting soon. So that's a great way to be able to do it. So when people see that, let's say if I was on the other side and starting my broadcast, all of a sudden it says starting soon, and once I push that started, it'll start automatically on the website. Alright, my friends, thank you so much for being in this video. I hope that this gave you a lot of value. If it did, put a little like or a comment on the video. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and in order for you to get more little tips like this on how to do technical stuff like this, as well as how to make money online. All right, my friend, thank you so much. This is Nestor Gomez on Make Money From Home, and I'll catch you on the next video.